Hello students, welcome to the biology world. In previous video we discussed about the kingdom Protista and we have to start the kingdom fungi which is given by the R.H. Whitaker. In kingdom fungi we have to discuss about the basic structure and morphological structure of fungi. The habitat of fungi, the body organization of fungi, reproduction of fungi. We have to complete this all the topics in our previous video. So now today we discuss about the classes of fungi. Fungi are divided into four main classes. Fungi are divided into four classes. The first class is Phycomycetes. Second one is Ascomycetes. Third one is Basidiomycetes. And fourth one is Deuteromycetes. So these four are the basic classes of fungi. Now we discuss the detail in various classes. So first we discuss about class Phycomycetes. Phycomycetes are aquatic, on decaying wood. We observe in decaying wood in moist and damp places. So it is the habitat of Phycomycetes. Now we discuss about the hyphae structure of Phycomycetes. Students, we already know what is the hyphae. The body organization of fug is, all the fugs are filamentous structure and it is long, slender, thread-like structure is present in their body organization, and this filamentous thread-like structure is known as hyphae. The hyphae is form network-like structure, and this structure is known as mycelium. It is also discussed in our video. This mycelium, in Phycomycetes, mycelium is aseptae, septa is absent, and choanocytic. Students, we all know what is choanocytics. The mycelium of many fungus is tube-like structure and filled with many nucleated cytoplasm. So this type of mycelium is known as choanocytic mycelium. So the Phycomycetic mycelium is choanocytic and aseptae. Now we discuss about the reproduction of Phycomycetes. We know that asexual and sexual, both the reproduction are produce spores, various types of spores in form during asexual and sexual reproduction. So in Phycomycetes, asexual reproduction in spore formation is done. Spore is formed. Two types of spores are formed. First is zoospores and second one is aplanospore. Zoospore and aplanospore. The zoospores are motile and aplanospore are non-motile. So these two spores are formed during asexual reproduction in Phycomycetes. The spores are endogenously produced. It is endogenously produced in sporangium. अगर हम सिंपल वे में इसको समझें तो जो स्पोर प्रोड्यूस होते हैं वो स्पोर्स को प्रोड्यूस होने के लिए कोई जगह चाहिए, तो जहाँ पे स्पोर प्रोड्यूस होते हैं उसको स्पोरेंजियम बोलते हैं. अब इस स्पोरेंजियम में जो स्पोर्स है वो स्पोरेंजियम्स की इनर साइड से प्रोड्यूस होते हैं, इसीलिए उसको एंडोजीनियसली प्रोड्यूस बोलते हैं. जब वो स्पोरेंजियम के बाहर की साइड से प्रोड्यूस होंगे तो उसको एक्सोजीनियसली प्रोड्यूस बोलेंगे. सो तब स्पोर्स आर प्रोड्यूस इन स्पोरेंजियम एंड इन फाइकोमाइसेटिस द एसेक्सुअल स्पोर्स आर प्रोड्यूस एंडोजीनियसली इन sporangiums. Zygospore form Zygospore is also form fusion of two gametes so the fusion of gametes, it is similar in morphology, it is known as isogamous and it is dissimilar in morphology, it is known as anisogamous or oogamous. So asexual reproduction is done by zoospore and aplanospore, which is produced by endogenously in sporangiums. Zygospore are fusion of two gametes. These two gametes are similar in morphology, it is known as isogamous, and dissimilar in morphology, it is known as anisogamous or oogamous. The well-known example of Phycomycetic class is Mucor, Rhizopus and Albugo, which is known as parasitic fungi in mustards. मस्टर्ड पर जो फंजाई प्रोड्यूस होते हैं उसको अल्ब्यूगो बोलते हैं. म्यूकर और राइजोपस इट इज द वेल नोन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ फाइकोमाइसेटिस. सो इट इज ऑल अबाउट फाइकोमाइटेसिस. यू हैव टू राइट हैबिटेट, then body organization of hyphae, then reproduction. In reproduction, asexual and sexual reproduction are mentioned is compulsory. Now we discuss about the second class of fungi, that is Ascomycetes class. In Ascomycetes, it is commonly known as sac fungi. It is commonly known as sac fungi. So in exam you have to ask, write down the short note of sac fungi. So you have to write Ascomycetic class. It is multicellular or unicellular fungi. Multicellular as well as unicellular. In multicellular, the example of multicellular is Penicillium, and the example of unicellular is yeast. It is one of the fungi which is including in unicellular group. The mode of nutrition of Ascomycetic class is saprophytic, because absorb of organic material and decaying twigs and leaves. Decomposers as well as parasitic and coprophilous. Coprophilous means growing on dung. जो फंजाई डंग पर प्रोड्यूस होती है, ग्रो अप होती है, उसको कॉप्रोफिलस बायोलॉजिकल लैंग्वेज में बोलते हैं. सो द मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इज सैप्रोफाइटिक, डिकम्पोजर्स, पैरासाइटिक एज वेल एज कॉप्रोफिलस. नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट द mycelium of Ascomycetes. So the mycelium of Ascomycetes is branch and septa is present. Now we discuss about the reproduction of Ascomycetic class. So the reproduction is done by two types. First one is asexual reproduction. So now first we discuss about asexual reproduction in Ascomycetic class. The spores is produced. These spores are known as conidia. Define the word conidia. In asexual reproduction, spores are produced and these spores are known as conidia. The spores are produced is exogenously on sporangium, special mycelium. Special mycelium, and this special mycelium is known as conidiospores. Conidiospores. Define the word conidiospores. It is also asked in exam. In Ascomycetic class, asexual reproduction produce conidia spores, and these conidia spores are produced in special mycelium. This is known as conidiospores. In conidia is germination and produce again mycelium. So this is the asexual reproduction take place in Ascomycetes. Now we discuss about the sexual reproduction in Ascomycetic class. The second one is sexual reproduction. So in sexual reproduction, spores is produced, and these spores are known as ascospores. These ascospores are produced endogenously in sac-like asci. Sac-like structure produce. It is known as asci, and this is produced. This class is known as Ascomycetic class, and it is commonly known as sac fungi. These asci are arranged in different types, which is known as fruiting bodies, and these fruiting bodies are known as ascocarpus. So students, ascospores are produced during sexual reproduction in Ascomycetic class. It is produced endogenously in sac sac-like structure which is known as asci. These asci are different types which is known as fruiting bodies, and these fruiting bodies are known as ascocarps. The well-known example of ascocarp is Aspergillus, then Claviceps. Now, Neurospora is a well-known example of this class which is very useful in biochemical and genetic work. So it is very useful fungi. And morels and buffels. Morels and truffles is useful in as edible. It is edible fungi. So it is the ascomycetic class. In ascomycetic class we have to study that it is commonly known as sac-like fungi, multicellular and unicellular. Multicellular example of penicillium, and unicellular is yeast. The mycelium is branch and septile. Two types of reproduction, asexual and sexual. Asexual reproduction produced spores which is known as conidia, and sexual reproduction is produced spores which is known as ascocarps. Asexual reproduction, the spores is produced in exogenously, and sexual reproduction, the spores are produced endogenously. In asexual reproduction, exogenously spores are produced in special mycelium which is known as conidiospores, and in sexual reproduction, endogenously spores are produced in sac-like asci which is known as fruiting bodies, and these fruiting bodies are known as ascocarps. The various type of fungi are included in these classes. Main examples is neurospores which is very useful in biology, biochemical and genetic work, and morels and truffles are edible fungi. We also study the first class is Phycomycetes, which is asexual sexual reproduction is also done by the spores. So this is the two main class of Phycomycetes and Ascomycetes we have already discussed. So in examination, in 3 marks or 2 marks, write down the short note of Ascomycetic class or sac fungi and Phycomycetic class. So write down this, all of this, and no one is missing point, and example is compulsory. In exam also asking write down the examples of Ascomycetes or sac fungi. So this is the example of this Ascomycetes. Students, you have to know that this Sunday is our second chapter test, and this second chapter test we have included the kingdom fungi syllabus. So up to the kingdom fungi you have to prepare very well. All the very best, and thank you.